I was reading this article on cod liver oil and I couldn't believe the health benefits. Incredible. I'm gonna start taking it myself. But I thought it was so cool how they talked about kids used to line up at school to get cod liver oil. Now they line up for other reasons. Maybe for a different video, but sometimes parents would give their kids cod liver oil before they left the school. A bunch of people commented. At any rate, I was walking around the pharmacy looking for some homeopathic stuff for a little guy, teething stuff, and I couldn't believe the junk. I could not believe the junk. I was blown away, and that's everywhere: grocery stores, pharmacies, health food stores, across the line. And I thought, how did we get from there to here? And the problem is that we're not willing to do the work. That's like, we're not in it for long term. We want quick pills, potions, powders. We want the colorful stuff that tastes good. We don't want to wait in line for the cod liver oil. And I feel like that's a serious problem. And you can get so much more benefits from the long term.